I love making things. I always have. There's something about taking even a somewhat raw material and shaping it into something different. But with that comes challenges. It's the challenges that we create for ourselves to make the final product better, stronger, and faster. And our minds take on those same properties as well. While these challenges sharpen our thoughts, it also hones our skills as craftsmen. And then our bodies. Building things can be physical labor and sometimes quite strenuous work. We make things, do our day-to-day chores, go to work, and some even go to the gym afterwards. It's those challenges on our bodies that cause all the fibrous tissues in it to become better, stronger, and faster. Now that we've challenged both our mind and body, how do we fortify them together as a whole? We temper them.